so I ended up doing this little section right here yesterday because it was just like a big bother. Yeah, I just kind of wanted to get it started. I've been trying to do this for like the past week, and I just have not wanted to do it because I just don't want to do anything anymore. But that's just me, you know. That's just my little procrastinator moment right now. But yeah, honestly, like looking at this, look, this is kind of aesthetic, not gonna lie. Like if I just had this type of clothing or these type of colors in all my clothes, I'd keep, you know. But yeah, let me just move this. I'm in a section of everything on my bed. I think I'm gonna take off this thing so I could just clear out my bed and I could put everything on here. I'm gonna do that actually. Okay, so now that I have everything, I wouldn't say cleaned up, but like I just have all the like used clothes that I had before onto here. I think it's time to organize by, what am I gonna organize this by? I'm gonna organize first by jeans, then that pile over there is organized by sweaters slash sweats. And then these are shorts, these are shirts, just like graphic tees. These are plain shirts, and then these are like button up or like dressy type shirts. I do need to have, I think I have a hanger somewhere because this one needs a hanger actually. But yeah, I don't know if I want to do a time lapse or if you guys even find this interesting, because I feel like, I don't know, this is kind of like a little meditating moment for me. I don't know, because it just looks better just to have everything organized and then like hear music and all that. I'm about to go into a little jam session right now. Dude, all sweaty. Oh, hell no. Okay. It is now 2:55. It's about to be 3. And I am done with that. I don't know how to feel about it. Ew, no, my toes being shown. This is the most I could do just because I don't have like an actual thing to put on my clothes in. So I'm just gonna have to live with this for now. Cause if I'm being honest, me and my mom were kind of deciding already. We're like, we need to clean this room because there's just like way too much clutter. We kind of, well, I didn't. I've always wanted to have like a really nice clean room. But last year we were supposed to clean this room, but something happened, yada, yada, yada. So maybe this year, I'm crossing my fingers and I hope it does happen that we could actually like clean out stuff, because there's a lot of things in here actually that we don't use and we don't need. But like, yeah, that's all I'm gonna have to do for now, because y'all know why already. It looks fine though for now. I don't know why, like every time I fix it though, like it just seems to get bigger and I haven't bought any more clothes. Like, is it the way that I'm folding the clothes or something? I don't know. Oh, by the way, look at my skin. Ooh, the skin is getting better, guys. I've been using this one aloe vera thing, or aloe, I don't know what it's called actually. I've been using this for the like past 3 days. I'm gonna do like a little bit more of an experiment on that just to see if it actually works. But I don't know, for now I feel like I don't look as red as I usually do, and I do look sweaty just because I was doing a bunch of stuff right now. But like, so yeah, it's basically 3 already. It's 2:59, and that means that I get to eat my lunch. So I'm gonna have a little protein pack lunch right now. I'm gonna probably drink a protein shake. I don't really know what to make. I usually make a chicken quesadilla, but we don't have no more like store-bought chicken, and I'm not gonna wait like another 3 hours to let the chicken defrost that we have in the fridge. I do usually have my lunches at 2, but like I was kind of busy, low-key. So am I wearing a hat right now because I look dusty and I don't have a haircut on right now? Of course I am. Of course, I'm not gonna look ugly for you guys. Okay, so basically, let me put up my brightness real quick. Okay, so basically it is May 9th, which if you didn't know, Mexicans celebrate. I think it's just Mexicans. I don't know if it's all Latinos, but Mexicans celebrate Mother's Day on May 10th. So I need to get my flowers ready for my mom and get everything ready. So like I said, please mind the hat. I usually don't wear hats, but like I need a haircut and I do look very musty right now, and I'm not trying to look musty. So basically I have my MacBook here. I'm gonna be doing a little to-do list just because I don't want to forget everything when we go to the store. So right now I'm kind of debating on like if I should get roses or orchids, because I feel like, well, my sister's already gonna give her roses and I kind of want to give her like a different flower, just so it's like a different flower for me, you know. But then I'm like, I feel like si la llenamos de rosas, she's gonna be fine, you know. I mean, like, what mother, what women doesn't like roses, you know? So I'm just gonna write down orchids just because I have heard her say that she wants like white orchids, like big white orchids. Okay, so I'm gonna get her white orchids. Possibly, I will probably change my mind when we end up going to the store. We're gonna go to a little grocery store just so I could have everything ready, because I don't want to go the day of. And usually if you go the day of Mother's Day to get your mom like roses or something like that, they're all picked out and they're usually all ugly and browned. So I'm not trying to do that. I always like to be over prepared. See, in life you always have to be over prepared, because then you're gonna mess up. You're gonna mess up and then you're gonna be a sore loser. So also, I'm finally free from my freaking cage that I had of college. I left statistics with a C. Do not try to add me, dude. I work so freaking hard. Statistics, math isn't for me, but like the fact that I was able to go with a C, oh my god. Like, I'm low-key proud of myself, you know. So I think I'm gonna get myself a little sweet treat today. And then my English class, I left with a B. Let's not say it was a high B though, so next semester I'm gonna try to do better, watch. Anyway, so I already got her flowers right here for the to-do list. Then I think I want to get her some balloons. I'm gonna ask her like what balloons does she want, because I feel like, I don't know, I'm just trying to make her happy, you know. Like, I'm trying to give her a whole experience. Okay, for now I think I want to go for like what gives her vibe. I feel like she does like brown, but I don't know if like brown balloons would be fitting for like the occasion. Maybe like red, but I feel like red's too strong. She hates pink actually, so I'm not even gonna think of pink. I think maybe white. I feel like white would be like a good contender, because she likes simple colors. She doesn't like bright colors. She don't like purple too. I think she really likes brown. I don't know. I think I'm gonna have to decide on that. So balloons, we're gonna have to get her some balloons. I think like some other little decorations here and there. So I'll just put decor. I don't know what I'm gonna get her yet. So then for the cake, I think she wanted to get like a order cake from some lady that is around here. So I'm just gonna write down cake just so we could have it memorized. I think we need to order that today though, just so her stuff doesn't get packed up too. So yeah, I just wrote down cake. What else do we need for a celebration? And I feel like, I think that's it. We have flowers, balloons, extra decorations, and then we have cake. I feel like I'm missing something. Okay, so I'll probably remember when we're over there, but for now I think that's pretty much good. So yeah, let's go to the store. I need to change though, because this outfit is not the type of look I'm trying to be giving when I go outside. So yeah, this is a film. I know it looks bad, but this is all I have right now. We're back guys, we're back. The fit, I actually ended up liking the fit, okay? Everybody's talking right now, you can probably hear it.
Are you skinny?
No. Get the donuts. Which one are we gonna eat? I think I'm gonna get that one. Okay, so obviously I didn't bring anything off from the car. Everything's gonna stay in there. I hope the flowers are okay, because I did get her live flowers. I got her some white flowers because I feel, what the hell? I got her some white flowers just because I feel like white flowers represent like peace and all that. I feel like mothers are always usually stressed out, so I hope she could get that symbolism in there. I don't know, I like to be a little bit like extra like that, but yeah, I just want to give her those white flowers so it symbolizes peace. It symbolizes a bunch of other things. I'll put it up on the screen right now. I'm actually put the picture or a video or something of the flowers because I got her a big balloon, which I usually don't give balloons because I feel like balloons aren't.
Take out your stuff because they're leaving in the car.
Dude, oh my god. Wait, so do we take out the stuff?
Well, duh, they're gonna take the car unless you want her to see her gift that they earned it.
Wait, tell Christy though, because she needs to take out her stuff. I bet, let's go. Dude, this is kind of embarrassing, not gonna lie. I never film outside. Damn. Where are my flowers? Oh, these are my flowers. No se miran la night?
No, I don't.
They're over there.